Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIUVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 12 MCQ 1 to 5. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 12 MCQ 1 to 5. My dear students of class 4, this is our lecture number 9 and SW number 7 on our annual term syllabus. So look here, lecture number 9 and SW number 7 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, today I am present before you to tell you that the name of chapter 12 is the internet. The internet. In our previous classes, we learned the whole passage. That means we finished our reading session. Today, I want to tell you the summary of previous classes so that all of you can remember. The name of the title is, or the name of the chapter 12 is the internet. Here, we learned how to find out information. What is search engine? What are the examples of search engine? What is web browser? And what are the examples of web browsers? And what are the advantages of using internet? This, if I tell you in details, that means in a short, these are the summary of the classes of the previous classes. Chapter 12, the internet. So, my dear students, okay, let not waste a single minute. Now, I will request you to give your maximum attention to understand this interesting class. Now, look at both. So, look here, which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? Look at the first questions. Try to understand properly. Which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? So, look here, number A, Mozilla Firefox, number B, Internet Explorer, number C, Bing, number D, Google Chrome. So, before telling the answer, I want to tell you, that means give your attention to have a clear crystal idea, to have a clear concept regarding the MCQ. Dear students, before going to the answer, I will tell you that what is the search engine. We need to understand that what is search engine. Okay, I am telling you that search engines refer some softwares which search some information over the internet which we need. This is the definition of search engines. Okay, now I will give you a list of some search engines. So, give your attention. A list of search engines. Number 1, Google, we all know. Number 2, Bing. Number 3, Yahoo. Number 4, Ask.com. And number 5, Baidu. So, dear students, look here. I have given here 5 names of search engines. For example, number 1, Google, very much popular search engine. Number 2, Bing. Number 3, Yahoo. And number 4, Ask.com. And number 5, Baidu. There are other search engines also, but I have given only 5. So, now come to the point. Which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? So, my dear students, look here. Mozilla Firefox, this is the example of web browser. Internet Explorer, also example of web browser, Bing. So look here, it is written here Bing. Search engine. So Bing and Google Chrome. So the correct answer is C number, that means Bing. So B number is correct, C number is correct answer, it is Bing. Bing is an example of search engine. Bing is an example of search engine, and I have already told you that search engine is a software, and using this software we get or we search information which we need. Now look at number 2, dash can send data to each other. So look here, dash can send data to each other. A, net, B, internet, C, computer, and D, URL. Dear students, this is to inform you. I am happy to share with you. That means when a computer having internet connection, I repeat, when a computer having internet connection can send data to each other. So look here, dash can send data to each other, it is computer having internet connection. So number 2 is done. So look here, 3. The word or group of words that connect one document to another document or websites is known as, so look here, the word or group of words that connect one document to another document or website is known as. So from our passage we have learned the answer. So in this connection we will go to the next page or the right side. So look here, options are given: hyperlink, internet, website, browser. My dear students, we have learned from chapter 12, that means the words or word or group of words that connect one word to another and it creates another link, it is hyperlink. What is it? It is hyperlink. Now number 4, look, which one is not an example of a search engine? Which one is not an example of a search engine? I have already told you. That means A number is Google, B, Yahoo, C, Bing, and D, Mozilla Firefox. So look here, which one is not an example? Look here, it is written here not. Not an example of a search engine. So look, in this connection, I want to tell you about what is web browser. Do you know what is web browser? Okay, now listen. Web browsers refers to some programs. I repeat, web browsers refers to some programs. There are different types of, there are various examples of web browsers. In this connection, I want to write something, a list of web browsers on the board. So give your attention. Okay, a list of web browser. Number 1, Google Chrome. Number 2, Internet Explorer. Number 3, Mozilla Firefox. Number 4, Opera Mini or Opera. So look here, how many examples I have given. Number 1, Google Chrome. Number 2, Internet Explorer. Number 3, Mozilla Firefox. Number 4, Opera Mini. And number 5 is Safari. So dear students, look here, I have given here 5, that means a list of web browsers. How many? 5. So look here, it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, look, which one is not an example of search engine? So look, Google, yes, search engine. Yahoo, yes, search engine. Bing, yes, this one is also search engine. That means we have got here Google, search engine. Yahoo, search engine. Bing, this one is also search engine. So which one is left? It is Mozilla Firefox. Okay, look here, that means Mozilla Firefox is an example of web browser. Mozilla Firefox. So look, 3 number. Mozilla Firefox is an example of web browser. So look clearly, to have a clear concept, you must give your maximum attention. A list of web browser. So look here, and right side, a list of search engine. Okay, now one MCQ is left. Searching for information over the internet is called, searching for information over the internet is called dash. A, web browsing, number B, network, number C, software, number D, URL. Okay, URL. I told in my previous class that the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Now come to the point. Uniform Resource Locator. Searching for information over the internet is called web browsing. Very common answer. I hope most of you know the answer. It is web browsing. So, give your attention. I will tell you the summary. Which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? It is Bing. So, we have already learned that Bing is an example of a search engine. Number 2, dash can send data to each other. Network, C, computer, and D, URL. Yes, I have told you that computer having internet connection can send data to each other. Number 3, the correct answer is hyperlink. So look here. Now number 4, which one is not an example of a search engine? Mozilla Firefox, because Mozilla Firefox is an example of web browser. Number 5 is an web browsing. Searching for information about the internet is called web browsing. So, dear students, look here, it is written your SW number 7, chapter 12, MCQ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many MCQ? 5 MCQs. So, these are all your SW. So, look here, my dear students, it is Messenger Abul Kalam, my phone number also given here. So, my request is to you, if you have any single query or if you have any single questions, don't hesitate to write me in the comment box. Okay, after finishing our class, I will give the answer of each of your questions in the comment box. And do your SW. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.